is trying my favorite stranger. See my love with this song. Take some honey to soothe your throat. Take some honey to soothe your throat. Oh, so that one is part of True Girl, Trust Me is True. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Michiko. So that's the line of the song Black Jesus, or that's your song that's stuck in your mind? Oh, take some honey. Oh, that's what you mean. I thought that's a song. No, tomorrow. I'm okay. Don't worry. I'm okay. I just realized that I drink cold water. No, cold iced tea yesterday in the afternoon. So that's why. But I'm totally okay.